You can't cut your cyber, like you could believe me that everyone in any kind of business, cyber is like the first and last topic at every board meeting, and it's the thing that you can't cut, because if you do and something happens,
you're out of business.
It wipes out everything else that you're doing. So we spend a lot on cybersecurity. Everybody does. It's you have no choice. So I agree with Joe. That is a defensive way if you want SaaS in your portfolio. That is a defensive way to do it.
Which is, Jenny, why you own Palo Alto.
Right. And it's why we've been talking about this for the past quarter, where last quarter we saw CRM disappointed. Palo Alto actually had a great quarter. And we need to think about, as we get into a trickier economic cycle, where are the chief technology officers and the chief financial officers, where are they willing to spend? And they have no choice but to spend in CrowdStrike and Palo Alto. They could skimp on CRM. They could skimp on ServiceNow and get away with it for a while. So it's going to be dicey. It's why you can't just buy the software index. You know, you have to be choosy.
You're choosy, Amy. I mean, Cadence, Design Systems, obviously Microsoft. We talked about Snowflake already. Splunk, Roper. Talk to me about those.
Yeah, no, I think companies are going to be looking to optimize their spend, and there will be companies that will benefit. And I think we don't own ServiceNow, but I think some of the others that you mentioned, we spoke about Splunk a couple of weeks ago, which also has assets and security and probably a relatively inexpensive way of playing that. But, you know, I think there are pockets, and you know, the baby got thrown out with the bathwater in a lot of these companies, and there'll be good investments here.